Good afternoon. I thought I would do another legal malpractice video on what you as a lawyer should do should you receive a negative review. We are all going to get them. If you have any track record in any type of matter where you represent anyone, you're going to receive a few negative reviews. It's just part of practice of law. I've received them, and I consider them a badge of honor in some cases. What you should do with a negative review is make one of two responses. One, thank you for the feedback, or two, you respectfully disagree. You should make no other response to the review because lawyers are often disciplined because they will become upset at the review and then they will immediately go and disclose what kind of matter it was, who the client was. They'll disclose something confidential about the client. That will inevitably lead to discipline by the state authorities. You will get a reprimand, maybe even a short suspension. So when you see things like this come up, you get a negative review. Not only was he the worst lawyer I ever had, he was an ugly guy too. Just sit there and say to yourself, you know, I respectfully disagree with that review. Don't respond in any other way. If you want to contact the client directly, you can, but again, be very polite in any contact with them. Don't use any adjectives or adverbs. Don't get angry. Just write back to the client and say, we seem to have a little misunderstanding. Is there a way we can make this right? If that's not going to work, then don't worry about it. Just say, I disagree with the review and move on. You can often learn something from the review. Some of them will have comments that are probably useful to you, but there are going to be some people who have an unsuccessful result with their case. They're simply not going to like you, and there isn't anything you can do about it. So just try to accept that as a badge of your job, as a badge of being a lawyer. So if you represent 200 people, you can expect some negative reviews. The only lawyer who won't have negative reviews is the lawyer who never represents anyone. Thank you.